So when it comes to printing of recharge cards and making money with it, I actually found a platform which you can start as a beginner, where you can actually print recharge cards and actually use these recharge cards and sell out as a main wholesaler to your customers. Now in this video, what I'm going to be showing you is a step-by-step guide on how you can set up an account for yourself, verify your account, and start using your account to start printing recharge cards to sell out for others. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So right here in this video, I'm not going to be wasting your time. I'm just going over straight to the point where you can actually start using this particular platform. Now in the process of this video, you came across where you don't actually understand, just feel free to drop your comments on the comment section below and I'll be glad to give you response to your questions. Now without no further ado, let's dive into today's business.
So guys, sorry for the background noise because I was thinking my mic was connected and it was not connected. Now this is what you're going to be doing. Once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. Now for the particular website, this is actually called vouchernet.com, and if you actually want to download their app, you are going to be getting Mobitooth as the name of this website. So right here, just click on this Mobitooth right here. You need to set up an account for you to start leveraging this platform. So what you want to do right here is to make sure you create an account for yourself. Now come under this hamburger icon right here. You are going to be finding login stroke register. So click on register right here. So once you click on register, you are going to be brought into this interface where you need to set up an account for yourself. So right here you can see don't have an account. Come right here and click on register. Don't go ahead to insert your details on this box right here. Just come down to where you can actually find don't have an account, then click on register. So once you click on that, this particular interface, you just need to fill all this interface for yourself. So right here you are going to be inputting your full name, your last name, your email address, just like the way you're seeing my right here. So once you're done doing that, the next thing you want to do is to insert a password, confirm your password, and put in your business name. Now you'll be seeing my referral right here. Make sure you insert that, and that will also be attached on the screen. So make sure you input my referral code right here so you can get a bonus remark. So right here, what I'm going to do is to input a password to set up an account for myself. And so after inputting your details right here, you can see that all has been inserted correctly. Then come down right here to click on register. As you can see, by clicking register, you agree to our terms and conditions and privacy policy. So click on register right here. So once I click on register, you can see activate account, enter activation code sent to your email address. So an activation code has been sent, so you can see that right here. So I just need to open my email and I'm going to copy this activation code right here. So once I copy that, I'm just going over to this account, come right here and paste this. So this is the process of you creating your account. So activate. So once you click on activate, your account is going to be activated right on this platform. Now you need to set up a 4-digit pin to secure your account. The reason is that you'll be asked whenever you want to continue with transactions right on your account. So right here, I'm going to enter a 4-digit pin and I'm going to confirm the 4-digit pin right here. And so I'm done inputting the 4-digit pin. I'm going to come right here and click on continue. So once I click on continue, you can see that I have successfully done my setup. So right here you can see welcome Coach Joachim, your instant wallet top up, please use the account below. So right here you can see the options we have right here. So once you come right here, you can see the quick menu right here. Not only you can use this platform to print recharge cards, but mainly this particular website is made for printing of recharge cards. So you can go ahead to use this also for airtime and data transfer, pay TV, electricity, internet, recharge cards, tickets, and transportation. So you can see that right here. So if you have any question that is bothering you while using this platform, you can see the FAQ right here. So you can see frequently asked questions right here. So right now what we are going to be doing is to print recharge cards. Now how do you do this? First of all, you just need to come over to your dashboard right here and you're going to be seeing print recharge card, dashboard, and other options right here. So since we are actually going ahead to use this platform for printing of recharge card, all we just need to do is to come down to print recharge card right here. So you can see that we have different networks right here, but before that I need to fund my account for me to be able to print recharge cards right here and sell. Now you're printing recharge card on this platform, you are giving discounts for it, and that is the only way you can use to make money for yourself, because once you print this recharge card you need to sell them to your customers for you to get your own margin. So what we are going to be doing right here is to come over to the dashboard right here, so we can go ahead to add funds on our account. So you can see right here that this is actually where you can go ahead to fund your account. You can see your wallet right here, so you can see transfer to bank, wallet to wallet, cash payout. So what we are going to be doing right now is to make sure we fund our account so we can go ahead to start selling, printing recharge cards. So right here you can see for instant wallet top up, please use the account below, money points MFB, to fund your account. So what we are going to be doing right now is to copy this account number and we are going to be funding our account. So I'm going to be funding my account with 200 naira, so you can see how to print recharge cards on this website. So what I'm going to do right now is to send 200 naira to that account so I can easily proceed with this video. So we are going to be selecting money points, so you can see that virtual network limited, so click on proceed. So I'm going to be funding with 200 naira right here, so I'm going to click on pay. Okay, so I've actually sent this money, so you can see that. So let me come over to my account right here and I'm going to refresh this. So you can see that my wallet has been funded with 198 naira. Now to print recharge card right here, come down to this particular interface, then you are going to be seeing print recharge card, then click on print recharge card. So right here you can see we have different network right here, so you don't say you don't have the network for your customers. We have MTN, Airtel, 9mobile and Glo. So right here I'm going to come right here and select one, which is the quantity depending on how many cards you want to print. So I'm going to click on buy now. So they said I should select the network, so let me say I'm selecting the network for MTN. So right here denomination is how much card you want to print right here, and the quantity right here. So you can see we have 100 naira, 200 naira, 500 and 1000. Let me say we are going for 100 naira card. So if you want to make the printing cards to be more than 10, 20, 50, 100, you come right here and change that. But I'm actually using this as an example so you know what to do when you want to print your cards to sell to your customers. So right here I'm printing just one. I'm going to click on buy now. So you can see transaction confirmation, you are about to print MTN 100 naira, one quantity. So I'm going to click on confirm right here. So right here they said enter the 4-digit transaction pin you set while creating your account. So that is why I said when creating your account on different platforms, make sure you can easily remember your passcode, your password and other transaction pin that gives access to your account. So right, I'm going to enter my transaction pin and I'm going to continue this process. So I've entered my transaction pin. The next thing I want to do right now is click on continue. Okay, so I'm going to wait for this to load up right here. So right here the stock for MTN is not available, so let me say I'm going for Airtel right here and I'm selecting 100 and I'm also selecting one. So let's click on buy, let's click on continue again. So I'm going to enter my 4-digit transaction pin also and I'm going to come right here and click on continue. So you can see Airtel 100 ePIN request was successful, meaning that as of the time making this video, MTN stock is not available. So we can go ahead to check our account to see the printed card right here, so we can go ahead to sell that. So come under this icon right here, so you can come right here and you can see that we have actually purchased this card. So you can see that this is actually the card. Then just come right here on this hamburger icon right here, just come down these 3 dots right here, you can see that. So once you come down right here, click on print stock. So once you click on print stock, you are going to be seeing the recharge card we just printed. So you can see that right here, this is the product 100, this is one quantity and this is the amount. So you can go ahead to print this card and also sell that. Now to print this card, you can see print save stock. So click on print save stock. So right here you can see the card right here. So this is the card beneath it, this is page 1 of page. So what you're going to be doing right now is to make sure you print this card. So since I'm using a mobile phone, all I just need to do is to connect my mobile phone to a printer and print this card. If you actually want this card to be in portrait or Rosetta, you can change that right here. So these are the options you can use. You can see the A4 paper and the likes of what you can do on your account. So this is actually the printed recharge card we want to sell. You can see that right here. I don't want you to see that because I'm here to recharge or sell this particular printed card. So if you're using your mobile phone, you can come down to printer right here and select the printer to print this particular recharge card we just generated. So that is how you can actually go ahead to use this particular website to print recharge cards and sell them at your own rate. You'll be giving discounts when you are getting multiple recharge cards on this platform. So remember, I came over to this option right here where you can actually see the print machine for you to print your recharge card. So that is that for that. You can see that. So this is actually a description of what we purchased, and I actually went under action, which is this 3 dots, to go ahead to print my stock. So you can go ahead to print multiple cards right here and also sell them to your preferred customers. So right on this platform, you are not only actually printing cards, you can go ahead to buy airtime and data, also transfer money. So you can see right here that they have airtime and data. You can go ahead to leverage more to use this platform to accumulate more for yourself. So their data right here is also affordable. So the essence of making this video is show you how to print recharge cards for totally free and also sell them to your preferred customers, so you also can start up something to use to make money online.
And so that is how you can actually use this platform to print recharge cards and sell these recharge cards to different individuals. The reason why I said this is a free platform, there are platforms whereby you need to set up an account for yourself, make payments while registering, and also ask you to provide some documents or requirement that can actually discourage you from using that platform. So this platform is actually free for you to use. Just make sure you have funds on your account, then go ahead printing your recharge cards and selling them to other people to use. So this is an opportunity for you to start up a recharge card business and earn for yourself. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give giveaways and also show you some other ways you can use to leverage online in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.